What's your name?
My name is Mark Anthony.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
I have some questions here, and there's no wrong answer here. The first question is, what is your understanding about entrepreneurship?
Ang pagkakaintindi ko sa entrepreneurship ay about sa pag-build mo sa isang business in the future or kahit ngayon. If ever gusto mong mag-build ng business.
Why is it important to learn entrepreneurship?
Pwede mo siyang magamit in the future if you want to build your own business. Something like that.
Given a chance, do you want to be an entrepreneur? So, what business will you pursue?
Mabibigyan ako ng chance na maging entrepreneur. Sa tingin kong ipupurso ko na business is cafe. Dahil sa tingin ko mas patok siya ngayon lalo na sa generation natin na mahilig sa kape, milk tea, ganon, mga drinks.
Noon po, ma'am. So, first of all po, what is your name po?
I'm Cristel Sibula.
Sige po. First question po, what is your understanding po about entrepreneurship po?
Okay, so when we hear the word entrepreneurship, it's about business. So, pag nanegosyo, pag i-innovate ng mga idea para maging business.
Why is it important to learn entrepreneurship po?
Okay, so sabi natin entrepreneur is about sa pag-business. So, if you are the entrepreneur, so kailangan may idea ka at alam mo kung paano papatakbuhin yung isang negosyo. Kaya mainam pa din na pinag-aaralan yung entrepreneurship.
Third question po. If given a chance po, do you want to be an entrepreneurship po? And what business will you pursue po?
Okay. So, sabi ko, kung hindi ako naging teacher, one of my dream is to become a businesswoman. Or yung ano natin is about sa pagluluto. So, yung mga catering, o-order ng mga bila-bila o pancit spaghetti. Ganun. So, kung meron chance, iyon sana yung gusto kong gawing business.
Sige po, thank you po.
What is your name?
Marlonito D. Coronel.
How old are you?
I'm about 52 years now.
For the first question, what is your understanding about entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship means owning and running the business.
Number 2, why is it important to learn entrepreneurship?
It is important to learn entrepreneurship for you to maximize the flow of transaction, the debit and the accountability for the entire business you have, and most of all, the profit.
Number 3, if given a chance, do you want to be an entrepreneur? If so, what business will you pursue?
Certainly, yes. For me to choose what kind of business will I enter, probably buy and sell of automotive.
Thank you.
Okay.